4-pack LED garage lights. 3 changeable panels are part of a novel wide-angle LED garage lighting system. Each panel may be folded over 90 degrees to provide 360-degree coverage of the space with no dark or glaring parts. Wattage 50, lumens 5000, Kelvin 6500, voltage 85 to 264, beam angle 120 degrees, CRI greater than 80, flicker-free, adjustable angle 90 degrees are the specifications. Incredibly simple to install, E26/E27 medium base compatible, installation is as easy as screwing in a light bulb. There is no need for wiring, tools, or licensed electricians. Super bright garage light. Each light will provide 5000 lumens of brightness, which is equivalent to 6 standard light bulbs, and will save you up to 60% on your power cost. This light is made up of 3 ultra-bright adjustable LED light panels and 120 top-quality chips. Durability and extended service life. The garage lights have a safe, quality PC casing that is corrosion and high-temperature resistant. Even after being on for hours, these lights never become hot, thanks to the effective cooling mechanism. Steady and long-lasting, with a 50,000-hour service life.